What is up, you guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to set up an LLC in less than 5 minutes. This process is going to be really fast, easy, and straight to the point if you want to get your business officially started. This is going to allow you to get like your business bank account, your business credit card, and fully be established. So 2 things before I start this video, I want to mention is that once you create your LLC, just make sure you renew it every year. Keep it active. Every year you have to renew it with the state in order to keep it active. If not, it gets deactivated. And the second thing I want to mention also is that we're also going to get something that's called an EIN number as well as the LLC. So the EIN number is pretty much like the social security of the business. Think of it like that. You get it from the IRS website, and when you're opening a business bank account, business credit card, they're going to be asking for that number to open it. So essentially in this video, we're going to be doing the LLC and the EIN number. This was going to allow you to open up that business bank account, business credit card, and be official. So let's get started right away. And also, if you want to follow along with this whole video, I'm going to have the link in the description down below, as well as in the pinned comments. You can literally click that link, follow along, don't procrastinate. Let's get started and let's get that LLC done. It's going to be a really fast and easy process. So if you click that link down below, it's going to take you to Tailor Brands. It's what I personally use for all of my businesses. I personally sell full-time on Amazon. That's how I make the majority of my money. And Tailor Brands, I've opened up 3 businesses with this. It's highly, highly recommended. So you can pick whatever state that you're currently in. For this example, I'm going to click Florida because I'm in Florida. But click what works, whatever state that you're in, to create your LLC. And we're going to click get started. Now you want to have a business name already in mind before you get started. For me, I'm going to put Midtown Power Seller. And you don't need to type in LLC because it's going to do that for you already. We're going to check if it's available. And yes, it's showing great that it's available. Alright, next we're going to click next here. And I'm telling you, this process is going to be really fast and easy. Just going to ask you a couple of questions. What stage are you currently in? Taking the first few steps. When are you planning to launch? You can click what works for you. I'm going to click in a few weeks. What industry are you in? So selling on Amazon is related to e-commerce. So if you type in e-commerce here, you can see it. You can type in any letter here and you're going to have a ton of categories for you to choose from. Just click what works for you. Mine is e-commerce and mine is actually physical goods. I'm going to click next here. And are you planning on hiring employees? Don't worry about this. Whatever works for you. This is just pretty much whatever works for you here. For me, it's a no. Click that. Set an annual goal for your business. I honestly don't know if I'm going to make more than 80,000 or less, so I don't know yet. Okay. Now you're just going to put your zip code here, and is your business an online business, brick and mortar, or on the go? Mine is online. Where you click next here. And what are you planning to do today for your business? LLC, and also we're going to click that EIN number like I mentioned. Great. Now, what have you already done for your business? Honestly, I have done none of this, so I'm just going to hit skip here. And then how did you discover Tailor Brands? If you're watching this video, just click YouTube. We're going to click next here. And now, do you want to join a free 12-week coaching program? For me, I'm going to just pass on this because I'm just trying to create my LLC. But if you feel like you want to learn a little bit about, like, digital marketing and things like that, you can always check out the program. It's free. All right, now we're going to just type in our personal info here. Okay. Alright, now after that, you're just going to click next here. And we're literally almost done with our LLC. So remember how I told you about the EIN number? So you can get Tailor Brands to do it for you. It's the LLC is only $99 for Tailor Brands to do the EIN number for you. Or you can do it yourself and not have to pay anything. The EIN number you can get on the IRS website. You have to pretty much go on the IRS website Monday through Friday, and you can either Google IRS EIN number, and it's going to show you that page. You can sign up and apply for that EIN number. But personally, sometimes people don't even want to deal with that and have Tailor Brands do it for you. I highly recommend this just because it's like a headache to sometimes get it. So I'm going to tell Tailor Brands to do it for me. Excuse me. And then, all right, it's just $99. We're going to click next here. And do you want to assign someone as a registered agent? A lot of people tend to get confused with this question, registered agent. And that's pretty much just a fancy word of who's going to be receiving the mail for the business. So for me, I am always my own registered agent for all of the LLCs that I create. I always use pretty much my home address for all of my online businesses, never have an issue whatsoever. It's like one of the best things that you can do. And if you have a storefront, of course, use that storefront address. So I am always my own registered agent. So I'm going to appoint a different registered agent, which is going to be yourself. Are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. Okay. Now this next question here is, do you want Tailor Brands to auto renew your LLC for you? They charge $199 to auto renew it. I will handle it myself because you do have a couple of months to renew it. So I like to just do it myself to save money. So if you think you're going to forget, you can always go with this, but I'm going to handle it myself. We're going to click next here. And do you want a branding toolkit? I am okay with that. No, thank you. This is something that I recommend. Expedite filing time for 2 days. You can get your LLC, but if you don't want to pay anything extra, you can wait for 2 weeks and get your LLC as well. Honestly, let's say I'm really excited. I have a bunch of ideas already in mind. I want to get my business bank account, business credit card, things like that. Then I would go with the expedite filing. If I have a lot on my plate and I don't mind waiting those 2 weeks, then I can save that $50. All depends on your situation. We're going to go with the expedite filing for this example here. Do you need operating agreement? No, I'll figure it out myself. You don't need that. And customers, Instagram ads, no thank you. Okay, formation kit, you don't need this as well. Do you want to get notified about your business? Yes, I do. All right, and we are pretty much almost done. So now Tailor Brands is going to give you 3 options: the light, essential, and the elite. But remember when I talked about earlier in this video, we got the EIN number and also the expedite filing. So now if we go to the light here, the state filing fee is $130. So no matter what, you have to pay the state $130 to file your LLC. Different states charge differently depending on the state. California, I believe, is like $75. Texas is like $350. Each state has a different price regarding the state. So we're gonna click here, so save you guys as much money as possible. And then remember, the state Florida filing fee is $130, and then we got the expedite filing, fast filing for $49. So all you're gonna pay is $179 to open up your LLC. If you feel like you can wait 2 weeks and you have a lot on your plate, you can not click this. The filing will be $130. So we're just gonna continue the payment here. Pay with your card, and boom, that's it. That's how you get your LLC done, really fast and easy and straight to the point. After you put your card information, it's gonna ask a couple of more questions like what's the business address going to be. And for me, I personally use always my home address for all of my online businesses. Never have any issues whatsoever. You just receive the mail of your business to your home address, and that's it. That's pretty much about it. And if you have any questions regarding any of this, leave a comment down below. I'll answer and help you guys out as much as I can. And also, if you can like this video, subscribe, I really appreciate it. And like I said, comment if you have any questions. I'll help you out as much as I can. I'll try to reply the same day. And that's about it, guys. See you guys on the next one. Peace.